Hello guys, welcome to all of you. Let us see a question on Zener diode. In this question, it is said that find output voltage V0 in the circuit shown below. Here Zener diode are ideal and the breakdown voltage of VZ1, this Zener diode Z1 is 20 volt and VZ2 Zener diode is 15 volt. So breakdown voltage of Z1 is 20 volt and Z2 is 15 volt. So let us see how can we solve it. We will start the solution by assuming that this Z1 and Z2 both are off. Since these both are off, so it will be open circuited. Here we have open circuited it in the circuit. Now we will calculate VAG voltage and VBG voltage in the circuit. Here VAG voltage can be written as by using voltage divider rule. This voltage is across 1 plus 1 2 kilo ohm resistors. So here it will be VAG equal to 2 upon 2 plus 1 into total voltage 40 equal to 26.6 volt. So VAG is 26.6 volt. As we can see that VAG is equal to 26.6 volt and Z1 Zener diode has a breakdown voltage is 20 volt. So this calculated voltage is greater than VZ1 voltage, that is the breakdown voltage of Z1. So this Z1 will be in breakdown region, so it will act as a constant voltage source. Now we will modify our circuit. As we have seen that VAG is greater than VZ1, so this Z1 will be in breakdown region, so it will act as a constant voltage source and that value will be equal to the breakdown voltage of this Z1 Zener diode. So it will act as a 20 volt. So 40 volt is connected in the circuit and this 20 volt is the breakdown voltage of Z1 Zener diode. Now we will calculate VBG voltage. So here we can see VBG is equal to 1 upon 1 plus 1 into 20 volt. This 20 volt is applied across these two resistance. So this is the simply voltage divider rule. VBG will be equal to 10 volt. Here we can see in the question that VZ2 is 15 volt and we have calculated VBG is equal to 10 volt. So VBG is less than breakdown voltage of Zener diode 2, that is Z2. So Z2 will not be in breakdown region and it will be open circuited. As this Z2 diode will be open circuited and this will be in breakdown region, so this will be our final circuit. Now we can calculate final voltage V0, that is the voltage across this 1 kilo ohm resistor, that will be equal to V0 equal to VBG, that is 10 volt. So this 10 volt is our answer. If this type of condition arises that there are more than 2 Zener diodes connected in the circuit, then we try to find out the condition of Zener diode which is nearer to voltage source or current source first. Since the chances of Zener diode to be in breakdown region will be more for that Zener diode which is nearer to the source. We can use this concept. This may simplify our solution. See you guys in next video.